Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. I have some more expression cards for your kids' classes. Here they are. Allow me to read them to you. I have, can I go to the bathroom? In Japanese, it's toilet ni itte mo ii desu ka? I usually say this to my students. Don't pick your nose. In Japanese, it's hana o hojiranai. How is it? In Japanese, it's do or do desu ka? It's spicy. In Japanese, it's karai. It's yucky. In Japanese, it's mazui. It's yummy. In Japanese, it's oishi. Can I borrow a pencil, please? In Japanese, that's enpitsu o kashite. Sorry I'm late. In Japanese, that's gomenasai, okurimashita. And that's it. If you're interested in these cards, text me and I'll let you know where I got them. Thank you for watching, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.